be a member of Azimio by law. You must resign from one party. So there's no way a party, especially where you are not even registered as a member, you can use it to run.
And they said, once you've done your entire coursework, once you've completed your university education, you are a holder of a degree. Graduation is but a ceremony. It is not necessary. The IEBC used that decision to clear Governor Joe in 2013 based on his transcripts and his completion letter from the university. A lady by the name Janet Mbete challenged that decision of the IEBC. And the IEBC, in its rulings, found that Governor Joe was duly cleared to run. Subsequently, IEBC went to the High Court to seek enforcement of its decision. And the High Court of Kenya, in petition number 116 of 2013, did find that once you've concluded your university studies, you've met all the course requirements, you have all the marks for that respective course, you are deemed to be a graduate, and therefore you meet the qualifications specified in Section 22 of the Elections Act. That has been the law since 2013. That was the law applied to all aspirants in 2017, and that has been the law the Commission has applied in by-elections, including the clearance of candidates in the present elections. And that was also the law at the time when my friend Walter Mungare was being cleared. So the law has always been clear. There has been no change in what that law is. It only changes when His Excellency Jimmy Wanjigi appears before the Commission, and then they illegally seek to now move away from what is settled law on the definition of a university degree, that which themselves they had sought. In other words, IEBC is now acting in contempt of the High Court order. They are actually, the returning officer is questioning the decision of the High Court. How ridiculous is this? When they declared the other candidates based on their documents which were presented, they were applying that same law. How then do they now turn around at this particular point to disown the law they've used successfully in 2 presidential and general elections just because they've seen His Excellency Jimmy Wanjigi as a threat on the ballot? Now, we are not going to sit back and allow an IEBC that flip-flops on its own whims, an IEBC that disregards the rule of law, an IEBC that is not consistent in its application of the law. It is applying differential treatment to candidates. We did write, and I said yesterday, we did write to the IEBC on the 31st of May, 2022. And we asked the IEBC, we forwarded all our documents, we forwarded all our forms. Kindly get back to us if there be any issue with our forms, with our documents. As I stand here today, no response was received. Other candidates we've seen, when they write or when they communicate to the Commission on an issue, the chairman is very fast to respond to them and to accommodate their requests. Our letter of 31st of May, received on 31st of May, has not been responded to date. Why this differential treatment? Article 27 of our Constitution is very clear on discrimination. Why did the Commission discriminate against us? Because they know we are the campaign that represents the voice of the people. That is all that I wish to say up to this particular point. Thank you.
Thanks for coming. Let me not mince my words. I think, to be honest with you, we are dealing with a special purpose vehicle called IEBC. And all the signs are there for IEBC to deliver or to force onto Kenyans a candidate of their choice. Let me talk about 2 instances. Of course, it's very horrible that they not given Jim Wanjigi, my brother